Hi there, so I've been asked to do a video of how to set up two ZGemma boxes on the same network so you can access one box from the other, access its recordings. Probably works for the same for all different sorts of enigma2 systems, maybe others as well. But this is the ZGemma h2s box. I've got two of these on the network, and the idea is I want to be able to access the recordings on the other box. So in my scenario, I'm going to have one box in the bedroom and one box in the lounge. And if I want to be able to watch something that was on the lounge box, I want to be able to do that by accessing the lounge box from the bedroom, access a recording, play it back, and do all that kind of stuff. So first of all, the two boxes are both plugged in, both online, both have got IP addresses set for them. My setup also has as I say, it's got the hard drive on the back of each box, but I've also got a network hard drive connected in the house as well, which I also record to. What you'll be able to do is move recordings around if you want to from various boxes and access them from various points. So first thing you want to do is get into Menu, Setup, System, and then Network. You want to go down to Mount Setup and then Network Browser. If you've not got all your devices showing up, in particular you want the other box to show up in here, you need to hit yellow to do a rescan. It might take 60 seconds, maybe 2 minutes. This box is IP address number 143. I want to connect 142. The other devices up there is the main router, the network hard drive, a couple of computers in the house that are switched on, and a printer. As I say, I want to connect to the other box, which is IP number 142. So get down to that, hit OK, and then run down to hard disk and click OK. Within there you've got the option to give it a name. This is probably quite useful, so I'm just going to call mine other box. Okay. If it's asked, it might ask you already, or if not, you can put it in here for the username and password. I've already done this and taken it off to do this video, so it's obviously remembered the username and password. The standard would be root as the username and blank for the password, no password at all. Click on save, and yes, you want to mount that network share. What this will do, activate it, and then you'll be ready. A couple more steps to be able to make it a slightly slicker process. So that's mounted now. So what you'd be able to do now is, if you wanted to, you could click into your file list and exit all the way out, file list, and I can see this is the other box. So you've got locations, you can do the hard drive on this box, media HDD movie. You can click on yellow location. I can also go into my network. It's got a specific location for it. Yellow again, and you can also go down to other box. Now, when you go into it, if you've been into another location, initially it'll go just directly to the hard drive, so you won't get the movie folder with the items that you're looking to play back. You can click left, go down to movie, and OK, and then you're back into the folder. Another option to bypass that and make it a little bit easier is if you then go into your menu, setup, recordings, recording settings, and select in here, see if you can, you want to basically choose the location, and then it will start bookmarking it. So you want to go into your parent directory, up to your storage devices, find the other box that you set up, and then click on OK on movie. What that'll do is it'll be telling the box for now you want to actually record to the other box's hard drive. I don't actually want to do that, but what that will do is set up a bookmark for it. So I can now change my recording back to the proper location, which for me is my networked hard drive. Okay. Now it's created a bookmark. What you should be able to do is click on your file list and select your locations, and now it will remember the exact folder you want to go to. So media, auto, FS, other box, movie. That's the hard drive on the other box. If you hadn't done that last stage, you wouldn't actually have this this in the options for for the shortcuts. So that makes it a little bit easier. That makes it a bookmark, and you can go straight to it as opposed to having to go into the hard drive and then left, right arrows and finding the movie folder. Hope that's some help to you. Obviously you want to do that on the other box. So on the other box I'll now do exactly the same process, but using this box's IP address. So instead of looking to mount 142 on the other machine, I'll be looking to mount 143, and then I'll be able to access the recordings of the other box. And so this is the other box's recording. Click on OK, and you can watch the program that's being recorded. It also remembers if you've watched some of it already, as does the normal box, so it will take you back to the right place.